pala ito naka-on.
Again?
Ayan. Ako alalay sa gas ate. Ano ka na dito? Sa brake ka na. Wag masyadong mabilis ate. Brake. A little bit brake.
But it's fine.
No. Okay. Yan. We're going there, left or right?
Oh, I think it was here.
Oh, bilis mo na ate.
Okay. And then we turn.
Straight lang, straight.
Oh, straight.
Ano ang araw? That's the challenge, the sunshine.
It's okay.
Preno ate ng konti. Huwag masyadong mabilis lalo may sunshine. Now, yeah, we're turning right. Signal.
Oh, there's a car.
May sasakyan. Oh, doon ka hihinto. Not here.
Oh, yeah.
Not here. More. More ka pa. Hayaan mo lang siya.
Don't they have the right of way? Or do
Yeah, they have the right of way.
Because they're going
So there's car here. Ayan. So paunahin mo na muna siya para for you to be more safer. Now you can go now. Maximize your lane here.
So
go.
Would I have to turn first or then?
No, pwede ka ng ano. Yan, pakiramdaman mo. Very good. Very good.
Did I
Yeah, and then balik mo na. Yeah, I think so. I think that one is better.
Should I try again?
Yeah. Okay. Let's go straight. Yan. So mas comfortable ka ngayon?
Yeah. It's only the second time.
Oh, kasi mag-gas ka. Ayos mo position mo ng bad. Okay, let's
right?
go to the other side. Go there. Straight ka muna.
Straight?
Okay. We're going to try the left. Yeah. Okay, let's go to the other side. Doon tayo mag-left. When turning left, you have to signal left. Okay? So we're going to turn left on that.
This
Okay?
side?
Yeah, signal left. Yeah, okay. So wala ka namang kasalubong, it's free to go left.
Yeah.
Okay, go. Let's go left. Very good. Alright. So get your own lane. Kasi although maliit yung road, kung may kasalubong ka, go to the lane, your lane ate. Why you're not on your lane? That's not your lane.
What is my lane?
Go to our lane here. A little bit. Okay. Pababa yan. Ano ka lang sa preno ha. Sa brake. Alalay ka sa brake. So I don't know where are we going now. Duling. Okay, I think we're going left. Yan. Well, usually crossing, you have to stop there.
Okay, yeah.
Kasi kung may sasakyan doon, more. Kasi kung may sasakyan, it's their own right of way. You want to go left? Let's go left. Yeah. Kung let's say may kasalubong ka niya, let them go first. And then go to your lane. Huwag dito sa left, dito sa right. A little bit dito sa right. Yan.
Left or right?
Straight ka lang. Oops. Stop. Kasi baka may dumadaan. Pwede pag ganyan, it's the right of way. Pag safe, you can go cross. Ayan. Pero kung may sasakyan, you have to stop there.